Getting sacked. Getting sacked. Meaning: to lose your job. Example: after repeated warnings about his behavior, John ended up getting sacked from his job. Getting the show on the road. Getting the show on the road. Meaning: putting a plan or idea into action. Example: it's time we stop discussing the project and start getting the show on the road. Give the benefit of the doubt. Give the benefit of the doubt. Meaning: believe someone's statement without proof. Example: although he arrived late, I gave him the benefit of the doubt, assuming there was traffic. Give the green light. Give the green light. Meaning: provide permission to proceed. Example: the manager gave the green light for the team to launch the new product. Go belly up. Go belly up. Meaning: fail completely. Example: the startup went belly up after only 6 months due to poor planning. Going places. Going places. Meaning: demonstrating talent and ability that will lead to success. Example: with her dedication and talent, everyone knows she's going places in her career. Golden boy. Golden boy. Meaning: young man idolized for a great skill, typically in sport. Example: he's the golden boy of the team, scoring the most goals this season. Golden handshake. Golden handshake. Meaning: large sum of money given to someone when they retire. Example: after 30 years of service, the CEO received a golden handshake upon his retirement. Golden opportunity. Golden opportunity. Meaning: a very good opportunity that may never present itself again. Example: this job offer is a golden opportunity, you shouldn't miss it. Grass is always greener on the other side. Grass is always greener on the other side. Meaning: the alternative solution may seem better even if it isn't. Example: she wants to quit her job, but she needs to remember the grass is always greener on the other side. Grease someone's palm. Grease someone's palm. Meaning: give someone money to persuade them to do something dishonest. Example: they tried to grease the official's palm to get the documents approved quickly. Green thumb. Green thumb. Meaning: ability to make plants grow or be good at gardening. Example: my grandmother has a green thumb, her garden is always full of beautiful flowers. Green with envy. Green with envy. Meaning: extremely jealous or full of envy. Example: when she saw her friend's new car, she was green with envy. Gray area. Gray area. Meaning: unclear or undefined. Example: the law on digital privacy is still a gray area, leaving many questions unanswered.